my company started about 6 years ago, and with regards to the product that I produce, it's the Lesotho blanket capes and jackets, and we've been doing that for the past 3 years now. So basically the inspiration for that came from the Lesotho blankets themselves, and moving from Lesotho, moving into the city, I wanted to be able to carry my culture on in the city as well. So it just basically became a way of how do I design something that's fashionable, that's modern, but still loudly and proudly says Lesotho. What we do with the local manufacturing, I actually have my own studio. So I have a team of, it's 5 of us that are working there. We're based in Port Elizabeth. And yeah, we're the guys that cut everything. We source the fabrics from the producer, who's also based in Johannesburg. So it's 100% South African. And we also check the quality ourselves. So we do everything 100%. So the relationship that we have with Inspired Luxe began last year. Again, she came and found us here at Design Indaba last year. And basically the relationship has grown from there. Yes, at the beginning of it, she basically wants to showcase what Africa has to offer, and in the sense of what luxury items we have to offer, because I find a lot of people want to look to Europe and Italy and all those big brands. So here's someone who's saying, you know what, the rest of the world, have a look at the quality and the luxury that's being produced from here. So for us, it's a relationship that's beginning, where now we're getting exposure as well to the American market through her, as she also handpicks her clients and so on. So it's quite a unique relationship, and it's one that's established now, so it is also growing. So I think in the next 2 or 3 years, when you ask me that, I can give you solid answers, yes. Thabo Makhetha in the future, we'd love to have our own production building. I'd also like to move more into more collaborations. Currently now we actually did a collaboration with Luxe Studio. I call it homeware, basically furniture and all those things. We've also even started scatter cushions as well. As much as I love clothing and women's wear, I also want to get into menswear. I want to get into other disciplines of design. I don't want Thabo Makhetha to only be known for one specific thing. I think it's also exciting when you grow and you're producing more and people keep coming back because they want to know, hey, what did you do next this year? So definitely in the next 5 years, I want to have a production house where people can walk in and see different aspects of design that we're working in.